there, welcome back guys. In today's video we're going to be printing something so that when the time comes to dodge bullets, you won't have to. Kind of neat, huh? Check that out. Little mini master blaster. It shoots out little thingies. We can have a little target thingy here. You can print, I printed in yellow, and I printed actually 6 because you get 6 shots with this thing. And the other one is in multicolor filament. Really cool. It's a toy. It's not a real thing, but it does function like the real thing, which is kind of cool. If you give it to your kids, make sure they wear goggles for eye protection because it does shoot really far. So without any further ado, let's get started. Let's check this baby out and see how it... Whoops. I'll find that later. Come. Here we have it, folks. The 3D print of the week, the Master Blaster. Printed perfectly on one print. Whoever developed this should have actually done the Dummy 13 because this works without calibrating anything but your master shot. So knowing that, missed it. Ooh, got it. Got it. Ooh, I got 2 for 1. I missed it. And I believe, so if it's usually the cartridge will drop, but it doesn't. Give it a hand, and boom, and then the magazine falls, like, you know, like on the end when it goes like that. So I should have actually held it the way it should have been held, so that I can just drop my magazine, and then put a new clip in. Kind of neat, huh? 3D print. This is a toy. It's not the real thing, but don't shoot it in anyone's eyes. Be careful if you have kids. Recommend goggles. Oh my god, look at that. It even printed the text on there. And you can reload it easily with your little 3D printed bullets. Great. And as you can see, you can lock and load however you want. And you can customize it. Maybe you want something that does 12, right? Or 8, however many. And if we go here, put it in. Put it in. I'll do every other one. Put it in. Put it in. They go in really easily. They snap right in. And this is on the first print. And then we put it in. See? And now we have our magazine loaded. And we are ready to go. And then this goes on like that. All right, maybe we'll just do one target. And you get work. And there we go. Whoops. Whoops. Oh, missed it. Got it. Kind of neat, huh? Gotta love it. Kind of neat, huh? Gotta love it. This is definitely the 3D print of the week. And I'm going to have a lot of fun with it. I'm going to print one, this is one that you can print in more dynamic settings, but by default, it's already configured the file. I'll check that out, see how that works. But so far, this one works pretty good. I don't have any complaints with it. The only complaint I have is that I wish I had printed more cartridges. I'd recommend having a few cartridges if you want to have fun with it, because 6 is definitely not enough. This way you can just, reload, right? And then when it goes in, magazine drops, and then reload again. Sort of. I think I need to work on that skill. But knowing that and moving forward, gotta love it. Anyway, I hope this video helped you in better deciding what to print this week with your 3D printer. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down below, or ideas for other videos. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time.